How to build a strong English foundation in 3 months. Building a strong foundation in English in just 3 months is possible with dedication. Start by learning the basics, the alphabet, common greetings, and simple phrases. Once you're comfortable with the basics, focus on building your vocabulary. Learn words that are relevant to your daily life, like names of objects around you and common verbs. Practice these words by using them in sentences and conversations. Next, focus on grammar. Start with simple sentence structures and work your way up to more complex ones. Use online resources or grammar books to guide you. Additionally, practice listening to English every day. Watch TV shows, movies, or listen to podcasts in English to improve your listening skills. Try to speak in English as much as possible, even if it's just small phrases. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Lastly, review regularly. Set aside time each week to revise what you've learned. With consistent effort, you'll see great progress in 3 months.